Hey guys, CryptoDad here again. Just wanted to let you know that the Black Friday deals for Ledger Nano hardware wallets have just dropped. I'm going to put a link down below to this page where you can go and get your Black Friday deal. You're going to get up to $30 in free Bitcoin when you purchase a Ledger Nano hardware wallet. Now, the Ledger Nano X will give you $30 of free Bitcoin, and the Ledger Nano S Plus will give you $20 worth of Bitcoin. It works pretty easy. All you have to do is order your product. It's going to come, and inside your product will be a claim card. Once you get the product set up, you'll go into your Ledger Live interface and claim your Bitcoin. And when you do this, the Bitcoin will be deposited directly into your cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Can't be any easier than that. So it's a great deal on Black Friday to get some free Bitcoin. And right now, Bitcoin is pretty low price-wise, so it's a great time to get some free Bitcoin. Also, if you're in the market for a safe and secure cryptocurrency hardware wallet for storing your crypto offline, it's also a great time to do that as well. And keep in mind that you can store more than Bitcoin in a Ledger Nano X or Ledger Nano S Plus. They support hundreds of different types of cryptocurrencies. So it's a great time to get some free Bitcoin and a great wallet. Don't forget, I do a live stream every Saturday night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for the live stream from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.